Hello, I'm Dr. Klodt, and here are your instructions for correcting Spanish grammar in your essays this semester. As you see in the essay instructions, you have the opportunity to correct grammar and vocabulary errors in order to learn from your mistakes and improve your writing and your Spanish. And in the process, you can add a few extra points to your grade. Note that you can only earn points correcting your grammar and vocabulary errors, but not the content and arguments in your essay. I want you to invest your full effort into analytical thinking and developing deep interpretations in the first version of your writing. And, of course, these grammar and vocabulary corrections are optional. They are not required for the assignment. For your reference, you can consult the Revisión de Ensayos link on our webpage. Here, you will see the categories that correspond to the numbers in your essay. Each has example errors and example corrections. If the text is too small, just click to enlarge. Here is how you make corrections. Your errors are highlighted in yellow. Click on the error, and its comment box comes to the front. Type the correction, and then click Reply. It may be tempting to click that blue check mark to mark the error as resolved, but do not click the blue check mark. Doing so makes the comment box disappear, and then you will not receive credit for your corrections. Let's make some more corrections. The titles of books, films, and journals must be italicized. In titles that are in Spanish, only the first word and proper names are capitalized. Google Docs does a decent job of catching simple grammar mistakes in Spanish. Look for the blue squiggly line, select the words to see its recommendation, and select the correction if applicable. It's a great way to improve your grammar and become a better writer. But be careful. Google's suggestions cannot replace the human mind, so carefully consider the correction before taking Google's advice. As always, if you have any questions or problems, please feel free to contact me.